Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to message yourself on Telegram. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and let's get started. It's very simple guys. You need to first go to your Telegram like this, and then from here you need to tap on the three dots on the bottom left side corner. So tap on the three dots, and then here you can see the saved messages option. Then this is the thing, just tap on the save messages, and here you can save your messages like send text to yourself, and here you can save anything that you want. You can save any of the projects, text files, and many more things you can save like videos and many more. So it's very simple guys and very effective. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this video helps you or not, and I will get you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.